do what is right because we have been instructed to do so. I mean, you must be having, you Africans, you Rwandans, you must be having problems to accept that, and for years. And even then, that is reflected on the way you go about your responsibilities, including these ones you have been sworn in for. It's as if you are doing it for other people other than yourselves and your people. How? Well, in the civilized world we find ourselves today, you don't fight over anything and everything every day. You choose your fights. But you must choose the fights. They are there. There are the fights you must fight. Unless you have no purpose, you have no meaning attached to the responsibilities you have and what you owe yourself. You see this every day. So, in short, hear what I'm talking about. The mindset must change. We can't be the same Rwandans, the same Africans we were 100 years ago, 50 years ago. We can't. And what I have tried to do when you look at this cabinet, that's what I've been trying even in the past cabinets, especially the recent ones. You people, I think I'm the oldest in the cabinet. Rest of you have 30s, 40s, and it is for a purpose. It is for the purpose of saying, you young people, are you going to grow through this world like some of us, the old ones, did, and didn't change much that was necessary? You really can't find it in yourselves, you young people? Educated, traveled all over the world. You know your history, where you are coming from. You know all this I'm talking about. And you just behave and move forward like nothing happened. Then you start breeding a generation that just complains about things. Blaming so-and-so, blaming this for this, blaming that. No, where are you? Why don't you deal with the matter that you're complaining about? Especially when you are given an opportunity like this. Why don't you? Where are you? Why do you want to complain about other people? Even those from outside who may cause you problems. No, you should refuse, you should fight back. There's no question. Unless, I don't know, what medicine do you need other than the life you have lived, the experiences you have had, the losses you have had? What else do you need? Yes, young people, educated, carrying a lot of degrees, academic degrees, PhDs, but you are just, I mean, why don't you get this but you can't do it unless something in you have to correct, the mindset. Even your self-awareness and appreciating yourself and being aware that you can do something for yourself. And you have the capacity to fight back with ideas, with values. There is everything that you have to put to such a fight. So what do you need? What injection? What medicine you want? In the end, you have yourselves to blame. But that is if you are conscious of what you should be blaming yourself for. You don't find being a beggar every day or being dictated to as what you must do or ought to do every day. You don't find it wrong? Abo batoya mwebwe mubyiruka n'abandi kubaho uburere is one thing, uburere buzima. Uko mubukoresha is another thing. Ariko uburere butangwa kugira ngo bushingirweho bukoreshwe ibyiza by'abantu. Kandi nta muntu waremye undi. Nta muntu waremye undi. Ibintu byose ni magirirane. Ntabwo ari ukubivuga gusa. Dukwiye no kubishingiraho ibikorwa dukora, hanyuma tukabona ibivuye muri ibyo bikorwa. Nagira ngo rero muri ayo magambo maremare nongere nshimire abayobozi mu nzego zitandukanye, ariko mbabwira ko namwe mwisuzume buri cyumweru, buri kwezi mwisuzume murebe icyo mwahindura. Niba wanakoraga neza urusheho urenze ubyiza wakoraga, ubwo byose birashoboka. Ariko hagomba kugira ibikorwa. U Rwanda aho ruva n'aho rujya, nk'uko byavuzwe kare, n'aho rugeze ntabwo ruhageze ku busa, nuko nyine abantu bagiye bagira ibyiza bakora. Ariko wibaze iyo tuza kuba ari twese dukora ibyo bikorwa byiza kandi tubikora neza ku buryo duhora dutera imbere muri byo aho tuba tugeze, tuba tureze n'aha ngaha turi. Ariko nanone niba harimo abumva ko aho tugeze niho hacu, niho hadukwiriye, niho twagarukira, ubwo nyine ikibazo kiracyahari. Ntabwo kuyavuga ari ukuyarangiza rero, ahasigaye ubwo nahanye ibyanjye mba nayababwiye, ngerageza gukora ibyo nshoboye. Ubwo namwe reka turebe aho tuganisha igihugu cyacu. Asanteni sana.